But this mirror slash monitor is so much more than just that. It's also got the built-in dash cam. So it's 2 cameras in one, plus when you turn it off, so that you can actually use it like a rear vision mirror. As soon as you hit the switch, it'll power on and you can see exactly what's behind you. But not only that, being touchscreen, touch the screen and it'll split to the dash cam and what's behind you, so you can see where you're going and see where you've been. Now that's an added bonus in my opinion, having 2 cameras, being able to use both of them as a dash cam, recording all that footage on 2 separate files, so that if there was an accident, you've got that footage from both in front and behind, as well as with our camera setup, the BT10 solar on the caravan. When we're hooked up, we've also got that 3rd camera there as well, so we're well and truly covered in the event of an emergency. But the operation of the screen is very basic. Like I said, it's just a touch screen, so you've got your dash cam and that's easily adjustable and it gets a really good picture. Touch the screen again, it'll go back to split. You just touch on that and that's what's behind. There's so many other settings there, I'm not going to go into it in detail. You can have your reversing lines for when you're reversing. I don't like to use those because I like to be able to look in the mirror and see exactly what's there. But now we've got this, we don't have to look in the mirror anymore, we just look at the monitor and can see exactly what's behind when we're reversing. And also it's ideal for reversing on and hooking up, hitching up